Hi, welcome to Green Biz Studio. I'm Barbara Grady, and I'm here with Safi Oranski, who is head of IoT for Panoramic Power, which is a direct energy company. So your company has a really interesting offer to your customers. Can you describe the value and the uniqueness of that?
Sure. As you said, Panoramic Power is a technology company. What we do, we make wireless self-powered sensors, very small sensors, that allow us to measure energy from machines. And really, you can think about it, allows us to give voice to machines. So now machines can actually talk to us and tell us, I'm working hard, I'm shut off, and things like that. And the connection with direct energy was really through the customers who are buying energy from direct energy, but are looking for added value. And that's where we kind of work together very nicely, because we can actually look at how they use their energy. So our customers now have a good view of how they use their energy on a device level, and based on that, reduce their energy usage, which is a big theme for direct energy.
So the direct energy and Panoramic Power merger happened like a year ago, right?
Exactly.
So were customers asking for that added capability, the IoT piece of it?
Exactly, yes. So before the acquisition happened, we were partnering with on many customers together. And what basically we saw is this connection between the procurement or buying energy and how you use energy, right? So the demand, what we call. And through the combination of smart demand management, you can do better procurement. So it's kind of like you can't manage what you don't measure. So now that they're actually measuring exactly how they monitor their energy or how they use their energy in a device-specific way, they can go in and actually do better negotiation on what type of energy deals they can buy. So it's a very, very strong synergy, a real synergy. And the IoT part of it is really what I said before. We're allowing devices a voice. So they tell us, an example of a customer we have, which they have a lot of compressors, right? The big manufacturing. Yeah. We can see when these compressors are on or off, and we can tell them that these compressors are running a lot during off hours. So that means they have air leaks. So now they can fix that, reduce their energy consumption. So it's this ongoing cycle.
And use less energy.
Exactly.
So excuse me, the merger then is working the way you had hoped, that you designed.
It is. It's actually, I don't want to overstate and say it's working better than we hoped, but this was really bringing a commodity retailer, one of the largest ones or the largest one in the country, and now starting to bring technology. So the discussion with the customer is not just about how much you buy, is how we can help you save, how we can help you run better your business in a real, actual manner, right? Like, we can now help them with producing more, widgets per hour using the same amount of energy. So these things now are much more interesting for everyone, and it's a real win-win.
There's a lot of talk at this very conference about kind of that convergence of energy, electricity, and IoT. Do you see that as being kind of the wave of the future? Is electricity going to be sold with IoT capabilities everywhere?
I think if it's not going to be this way, things will happen to either the consumers or the utilities, right? Okay. Because you need to get now down to the level of understanding that in order to be competitive. So we have customers that are in areas where electricity is very expensive. They cannot compete with the same manufacturing facilities where electricity is very cheap. So they need to take steps in order to stay competitive. Yeah. And if they don't go down and start embracing IoT or sensor technology and all the technologies that are related to it, they might be out of business, or they will not be able to compete where they are. And the same thing on the utility side, right? If the utilities will not understand that they need to really understand their customers, not just send them a bill, the customers will leave them. We see it in Nevada. There's it happening. Customers are pulling out of utilities. So if you don't adopt this, something will happen.
All right. Safi from Panoramic Power and Direct Energy, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.